Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're talking about T-Mobile and a free phone promotion they have going on. Now, of course, this is Metro by T-Mobile, basically the same thing, but it's the prepaid version of it. So, like I said, I'm sorry, I'm still recovering from a cold, guys. So, bear with me with the weird voice and everything. But this is by T-Mo news.com. Check it out, the unofficial T-Mobile blog. So check them out, guys. Really good website. So it says T-Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile offering free Moto G 5G to new lines. So as you guys know, Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile have been offering really good phones for free for switchers or new lines, guys, of service. They're trying to attract as many customers as they possibly can. So let's get into it and check it out. It says earlier today, the Motorola Moto G 5G was announced to be available via Motorola's US website and select retailers. T-Mobile is joining this bunch where you can exclusively pick up a new device. It says both T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile customers can now get their hands on the new Moto G 5G. So if you're a T-Mobile customer or a Metro by T-Mobile customer, you can get your hands on this. It says, and for a limited time period, both brands are offering a free Moto G 5G to new and existing customers who add a line. So it says to new and existing customers who add lines. So if you're a new customer, I believe, and if you're an existing customer who's adding a line, you can get the Moto 5G from either T-Mobile or Metro by T-Mobile, which is pretty cool. We're actually trying out Metro by T-Mobile in my area. Here in a little bit rural America, it's not so great, but in the city, it's really fast. It's probably the fastest phone I've had by speeds, thanks to the ultra capacity 5G that T-Mobile has. It says the Moto G 5G comes with a 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Wow! From within, the device runs on a MediaTek Dimensity. The heck is that? Dimensity 700 processor with 6 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs onboard storage, and a micro SD card for memory expansion. So not bad. It's not a Snapdragon. I love Snapdragon. MediaTek, it's alright, I guess. It does have 6 gigs of RAM and does have 256 gigs of onboard storage. It's really good, man. There's a 50 megapixel main sensor with quad pixel technology and 2 megapixel camera on the back. Wow. The device also has a 5,000 milliamp battery, guys, with a 10-watt charging. Fast charging, that is. Motorola is promoting this device as one of the last up to 2 days of life. Ooh. Other than getting the device for free, you can get it for $9.25 a month for 24 months under T-Mobile's equipment installment plan. If you are interested in T-Mobile or Metro by T-Mobile offers, you can get more details here. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see if they actually have it on the Metro's website yet. So here we are, guys. We're on the website, and of course is the Moto G 5G is the one that they're talking about. But as you guys can see, there's quite a bit of differences here, especially with the storage. I'm not sure if maybe that website is a little off, or maybe I don't know, Motorola. But here it is. Like I said, this is on Metro by T-Mobile's website. Motorola Moto G 5G 2022. So 5G compatible. Speeds, 5,000 milliamp battery, and a 50 megapixel camera. So, whoa, it only has a 1-star rating. We'll see why in a little bit. Let me actually see why. This thing is downgraded in 2022. I skipped this phone for a better phone. I got the Moto G Stylus 2021. Alright, so I mean that's one review. So can't really go off of it, but I mean, like I said, not bad at all. It said 256. I thought that might have been a typo, but this phone does retail for $230, guys. You're getting it free when you switch, plus taxes and fees. Not bad at all. 64 gigs of internal storage. Sounds a little bit better. Well, more truthful, should I say. Fast and fluid 6.5-inch 90 Hz display, up to 2-day battery, 50 megapixel camera and a dual capture, and 5G speed. So not bad at all. Pretty cool. Like I said, 5,000 milliamp battery, 36 hours talk time. There's the processor. RAM says 4 gigs. They said 6. And I don't know, man. That might be T-Mobile's version. So let's go into T-Mobile's version and see if it makes a difference. I mean, everything looks about the same. 4 gigs. I mean, it must be. What I'm guessing is the unlocked variant is the 6 gigs of RAM, because on their website it said 6 gigs, but really here's the true specs and everything here. And this is through T-Mobile, and this is through Metro by T-Mobile. So all the frequencies and everything. So this is more truthful. I mean, you would get it directly from the website. It's more truthful. So I don't know. Maybe they just had a bunch of bad information, but it is free. Here's official specs if you guys want to see it. So I mean, it's not way too good to be true. So like I said, unless that's the unlocked variant, because usually it is. If you get the unlocked variant, then the ones that other retailers get. So, but what do you guys think? Will you guys get this phone? Do you want to try it out and see how it is? Let me know in the comments below what you think, and more videos coming your way.